Before signing up for and it was very I was very nervous because it was the first time that I actually took step to, get into this. Everything about creativity and design and all those ideas were just in head. But when you actually start, bringing that plan into action, you get little nervous. Will it work out for you or not? But I think I remember when I gave the exam and I had initial conversation with Somia ma'am, I guess. It was after that I felt like, okay, maybe, it's not that challenging that as it may seem to me in the first go. And I think I remember after after signing up for after clearing my exam and giving the initial conversation with Soumya ma'am, I was quite excited that like that I'm finally getting to do something that I am interested in, and the fact that I will get to do something in future as well, because I was looking forward to learn more about design, and it was very nice. Like initial classes were very new. I mean, I was also in college at the time, and I remember I didn't used to enjoy my college classes. So I used to look forward to, each session and the way things were taught here. It was very creative, something that people would, coming from a very different background would enjoy it. So yeah, it had been a really nice experience of learning with and.